What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Brandon. This is All Things Bearded. In today's episode, we're checking out Intelligence Grooming Company. Get it? So we have a couple items to check out from them. We have some beard oils. We have a beard balm actually to check out, which we don't really do a whole lot of those on the channel. And we also, I think, have a soap to check out. Now, if you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Let's go ahead and dive into the review. So let's go ahead and talk about the beard oils first. Now these come in 1 ounce amber bottles, standard dropper tops are on top of it. The labels are actually see-through, so no matter how you're gonna be looking at this bottle from 360 degrees, you're gonna know exactly how much beard oil is left in the bottle, so I think that's a fantastic attribute to have. Now it does have just the name of the scent on the front of the bottle with the name of the company, and on the side it does have that carrier oil blend broke down on the side. That does consist of jojoba oil, argan oil, rosehip oil, sweet almond oil, castor oil, avocado oil, and then the fragrance oils. Now feeling beard, I didn't have any problems with it. This blend is just tried and true. You know all of these ingredients are gonna do their job. Left my beard feeling great, it styled great, it didn't feel weighed down. So hey, no complaints whatsoever with this carrier oil blend, but let's go ahead and check out the scents that we have to check out for this review. Now the first scent that I had to go over is called Integral. Now this scent right here is definitely my favorite of everything that I got from Intelligence. Now I did mean to cover this earlier. On the side of these bottles, there are these icons on the labels. Now they're for each individual scent, there's something different. I got a letter from Jose, who is actually a college student running this at the same time. So hey, shout out to you for the hustle and the grind. I love seeing it. And he told me that the sign on the side of this is actually the sign for it in calculus. Now I sucked at math in high school and in college, so I doubt I would have even remembered that. Now there's another scent that we'll get to later. It's called Natural Log, and the symbol on the side of it is the symbol used in math as well. Now he also gave me some equations at the bottom of this paper. I'm an idiot, I don't even know what they mean, but hey, I appreciate you trying to teach me a little bit of math. Now this scent right here, scent profiles, that's what I'm good at, I feel, a little bit. But this scent right here, it's a citrus scent up front and then a warm, sweet cologne scent on the back end. It's layered really well, it's really complex, but it smells fantastic. It's great for a date night, it's great for a day at the office, but the citrus is really bright and fresh up front, but like I said, you get that warm, sweet cologne on the back end. Fantastic job on it though, so if you like warm, sweet colognes, maybe mix in a little bit of a citrus vibe, this scent is definitely for you. So the next scent that I had to go over is called Conifer. Now when I saw this bottle and the label and a tree icon on the side of it, I knew I was gonna enjoy this one as well. Now when I do smell this one right here, I'm getting a fir needle pine type vibe on the front end of it. But on the back, it's just a warm, sweet, woodsy scent, a little bit of an earthy undertone, of course, but it smells fantastic. It's really a great, warm, woodsy scent. I'm all about those woodsy scents, especially when the colder months come around. So definitely, I think Conifer is gonna be something I'll be rocking a little bit later on in the year, but a fantastic job, great woodsy scent, so definitely check that scent out. So the last scent that I had to go over in the beard oils is called Natural Log. Now this scent right here is really hard to pull out. When I do smell this, it's really hard to pull a scent out. Like I said, I thought it was unscented when I first got this one. But I get a little bit of a warm, smoky, spicy note, and then it really dissipates, so it's really hard to pull out a scent. I would really think of this as an unscented because I really didn't smell a whole lot in my beard. When you get out of the bottle, you can smell a little bit, but that's about it. So Natural Log, if you're looking for something maybe unscented or lightly scented, I would highly recommend you check out this scent profile from Intelligence Grooming Company. Now all of these beard oils are $13 for the 1 ounce, and we also do have a promo code that you can use, ATB10, that's gonna save you 10% off of your order. So it's gonna drop that low price even lower. It's not a kickback to me, I don't get anything off of it. It's just for you guys to use and save you some of that hard-earned cash. So definitely take advantage of that promo code if you check out these beard oils from Intelligence Grooming Company. Now I also have a beard balm from Intelligence to check out. This comes in a 2 ounce glass jar. I'm a huge fan of that. Now this does consist of shea butter, mango butter, beeswax, jojoba oil, argan oil, apricot oil, rosehip oil, and then fragrance oils. Now, as far as the feeling beard is concerned with this one right here, you guys, the beeswax was really light for me. Now, it did have a little bit of grit when I was getting this out of the container and breaking it down. But as far as the hold is concerned, the beeswax was really light for me. I still used it like I used the beard butter. I only used it once, and we'll get to that in a minute. but it really did a great job of just helping style my beard like I normally do. So I don't really know if this is a balm or a butter or a hybrid. You can take it as you want, but that's how I looked at this, from a beard balm to a beard butter, somewhere in the middle. Now the scent that I have is called Bachelor, and it's pretty much the reason that I'm not a fan of this scent profile. Now granted, my wife loves the show, she watches it all the time, but this scent right here, it's straight up roses right in your face. It's like walking into a floral shop. I'm not a huge floral fan, so for me personally, this one was a pass in my book. But man, whew, if you are a fan of floral right here, this definitely has you covered. And if your significant other loves floral, check out this scent. They'll probably enjoy it as well. Now, also for this review, I did want to plug this bar of soap that I got. The scent profile is called Black Hole. I really did try to put it back in the packaging the best I could after using it. This scent though is amazing. It is musky, it's sandalwood and patchouli, I believe. I think it retails for $6.50. Man, smells fantastic though. And these bars of soaps, in my personal opinion, it's like a work of art. They all look fantastic after they have all these colors and designs and how they look. I think it's fantastic. Man, just a great scent though. I wouldn't mind seeing that one in a beard oil, just plugging that out there. Now, overall with this company, you guys, I highly do recommend that you check out Intelligence Grooming Company. I think they're on the right track. From the care blends to the fill-in beards to the products, I think they really do have you guys covered. So definitely go to that website, check them out. I think they have some bundle deals. They have soaps, they have balm butter hybrids, however you want to look at that. Oils, combo deals, it's all there for you to check out. So go ahead, check them out on their website. Use that promo code if you want to, save you some money. I hope you did enjoy this episode. I'll catch you in the next one. And as always, stay safe, stay bearded.